trying to think of like how I want to do this. Wait. We don't have air conditioning over here, and a few summers ago it was too hot, so I went out and bought one, and so now all my mates have them. Oh, air conditioner is amazing. I don't have mine on yet. I'm kind of cheap, so I only use it when I need it. I know like some people that constantly have theirs running. I'm definitely not that person. I will say that's kind of what happened with my friends though with the bidet though. Literally like everyone went out and got a bidet. I lived in a house with like 5 other people, and when I lived in that house, one of them was like, I don't know, just was like, I'm gonna get a bidet one day, and he got one, and then literally after that, like everyone in the house was like, can we use your bathroom? And his bathroom became like the popular bathroom to use. Just because of the bidet. I couldn't imagine life without air conditioning. I feel like I've always had it. Like, I used to live in Georgia when I was really little. My dad was in the army. I lived on an army base. And I could not imagine living in that house without air conditioning. Oh my god. Sorry, I got literally text bombed right now. Sorry. Alright, I have to save all this. I'm going to a music festival with a few friends, and we're trying to get all of the plans and everything situated, and I hope everything's okay. Oh yeah, no, everything was fine. I just really shouldn't have opened it because it was in Snapchat, and so now I have to save everything, and then I'm not going to answer it now because that's annoying, but everything's fine. It's just everyone's trying to get plans and everything situated because it's literally in like 10 days. It's literally in 10 days. I think. When is EDC? Or I think it's like the second to last week in May. I don't even know when it actually is, but everyone's like freaking out about it. Whatever. It's soon. It's soon. I just know I'm going. Who's playing?